telling me? Oh, you are in prison, right? You in prison, right? Boss? Are you in prison, right? Okay, wait a second. Just 2 minutes. Wait, 2 minutes. Can you give me his account?
Hey, wig. Oh, it's fine. Give me some. Baby boy swarmed.
Where are you? Boss, where are you? Boss, boss. Boss! Yeah, I'm here. I'm waiting you. Hey.
Gardening. Oh wait, I'll save it for you. Do a yard to me. What does that even mean?
Was my mic off the entire time? Hope it wasn't. Do you whack another person? No, I can't. Was my mic off the entire time? Hope it wasn't. Do you whack another person? No, I can't. Was my mic off the entire time? Hope it wasn't. Do you whack another person? I could probably just give you like a free Robux code. I guess. One sec, I'm gonna pull up my Discord.
Pre-generated response. Look at the code. Oh, what's that block? Yeah, that doesn't actually exist in Scratch. I had to use JavaScript to make an extension. You know the paint and the music extensions? Well, you can make your own to get completely custom blocks. Now, I have no clue how to make an extension, so in this video, we'll learn how to. I'll go insane whilst doing so, and I'll mess everything up. Okay, so what I've done is I took this person's code, changed the name of it, put it through something to get like a data URL or whatever. Then I can put that in the URL of this Scratch clone. Regular Scratch doesn't let you load custom extensions, so I'm using this random person's version of it, and it works for some reason. So I've got this amazing block, which is completely stolen. Now I need it for some reason. Extension. Scratch clone. Regular Scratch doesn't let you load custom extensions, so I'm using random person's version of it, and it works for some reason. So I've got this amazing block, which is completely stolen. Now I need to actually make my own thing. I've changed some things. I wonder if it works now. Oh, it didn't work. Got a ChatGPT block. It doesn't do anything. That's the problem. I have yet to figure out how to make ChatGPT API work. It does literally nothing at the moment. Okay, I have no idea what I've done. It's definitely not going to work. Got a complete prompt block. The ChatGPT API is kind of hard to use. Thankfully, there's another one which is easier. So I chose the easy option. Let's see if it actually works. This is good that I don't have enough money. And this is because I haven't given them any billing details. Okay, it's funny how it's called OpenAI, but you have to pay for it. So I've given them my credit card. I've put a hard limit on $1. I do not want to spend anything on this if I mess something up, because I definitely will. Now, will it work? Oh, error. Oh, don't even know what this one means. Well, it's a different error now. I'll just get through every single error they can give me, and eventually it'll work. It's a different error again! It's not even a different error this time. It did something. How do I get the actual words? Half a sentence.
Alright.
Now I just need to make
Well,
it
I was gonna do for the stream. In fact, it wasn't really even a stream.
Oh no, that's an error. Here, I added a cache system. So what this will do is store the result so I don't have to do another request, because each request costs me money. Now let's see if that works. The cache bit doesn't work, which broke the rest of it. That's lovely. No! Okay, so I've done so much trial and error. I've used a whole sentence, but let's see if it works now. The body has already been consumed. That sounds really sus. Okay, so now I've changed the word return to await to make the asynchronous function work. Oh, the suspense. Is it just not going to work at all? It's the same error, but you have to wait. Okay, you know the last times when I said it would work? This time it actually really, truly will work. Okay, just wait for it, and... Okay, it doesn't show up in this bubble, but it shows up in the console. That's good enough at the moment. It won't be in the console, there won't be any errors. When I click it, it will work. There are 0 ways this could go wrong. Okay, yep. Oh, object, that's different. I'm pretty confident that it will work now. Look at that. It actually tells you. I've made a ChatGPT block, well, the other model, whatever it was called. I made an AI block in Scratch. There were no errors at all in making this, at all. It worked first try. We can ask it any question. So let's go like, explain what Scratch is in simple terms. Then it will take a while to generate an answer, and we get this. Scratch is a free interactive programming language that allows users to create their own stories, animations, and games. It is designed to be easy to use for people of all ages. To prove I didn't just free write these responses, let's get another one. Explain what AI is in simple terms. AI, artificial intelligence. Well, that's pretty cool, isn't it? This is the Scratch code. It's just ask a question, and then we use our special complete prompt block. And here's the JavaScript that makes the complete prompt block work. Now, I'll give myself a challenge. I'll explain it in just 1 minute. This is the super secret API key that I'm not allowed to share with anyone. Got this class or whatever. And this is just where we define what a block is. So we've got a block, complete prompt, in the category AI, and it's a reporter. So those are those circle blocks. And the input has to be a string, which is just text. And then this is what it default says. This is the actual AI bit. So async is asynchronous. This is so other things can run in the background. This is just our input. We get rid of the spaces. All we have to do is open this URL in a special way. We need to make it a post request. No clue what it is. Body, which is JSON data, has our prompt and the max tokens, which is the maximum length of our response. Headers, the authorization, so that's my super secret. We need to say it is JSON content type. Then we await, so we just wait until this next bit happens. So what this fetch thing is, it does internet stuff with the URL, which is this, and then the options, which is this. I need more time. Good thing I keep a time-altering device in my pocket. Let's get 30 more seconds. And then when we get that response, we get the JSON data. The response will be lots of text. We can turn that text into something JavaScript can understand. The specific format of it is a bunch of garbage, a choices list, and then the first item in that list will have a bunch of garbage, and then text. So we just find the first choice, then the text, and return that, and then it works. Woohoo! I'm so good at coding. If you want to see another cool Scratch coding challenge, check this video out, where I make a game with 0 sprites. Yes, that's actually possible.
Listen, there's a good chance somebody's trying to hack your website right now. You gotta make sure you're covered.
Turn that text. See another game with 0 sprites. Yeah. Every Scratch game has sprites. You need them to just move stuff around. In this video, I'm going to be trying to make a game without them. I can only use the stage, which has most of the blocks disabled. This is going to be very hard. I think the easiest thing I could make is cookie clicker. So I'll just draw a cookie. Okay, there's my cookie. Now, to make it click, we can't just use a when sprite click block. So I'll go to code and do a when stage clicked, but that'll fire anywhere, so I need to do some stuff so it only goes in the cookie. We can use the mouse X and mouse Y blocks. This code determines if the mouse is in a certain rectangle by using a lot of AND statements and greater thans and all that. Okay, so let's test this out. Okay, so we don't get a cookie if we click here, but if we click around the cookie, we get a cookie. You can click in this white space. It's not like a perfect circle, but it's still okay. We can't have any visual effects on this cookie because it's just a stage, but we can have sound effects. Okay, this sounds awful. I'll just get rid of the sound effect. Now let's add some items in the store. So I'll draw a box and draw the rest of the items.
This will be it for the stream.